Welcome to my Business Data Science channel. Today, I'll highlight the growing importance of data analytic skills for business students. There will be 3 parts of this video. First, I will discuss the changing landscape of white-collar jobs due to AI. Second, I will talk about how robots will transform some supply chain jobs through automation. Finally, I will discuss how programming helps you collaborate with future machine assistants. Let's start with the first part. We all know that communication is crucial for all white-collar jobs, including those in business. Using language to communicate is a fundamental aspect of human intelligence. In the early stages of artificial intelligence, scientists endeavored to create computer models that could replicate human communication capabilities. This field, known as natural language processing, encompasses tasks such as texting and speaking. Let's take a look at an example.
They hadn't reckoned with ambiguity when they set out to use computers to translate languages.
A $500,000 supercalculator, most versatile electronic brain known, translates Russian into English. Instead of mathematical wizardry, a sentence in Russian is to be fed in...
One of the first non-numerical applications of computers, it was hyped as the solution to the Cold War obsession of keeping tabs on what the Russians were doing. Claims were made that the computer would replace most human translators.
At present, of course, you're just in the experimental stage. When you go in for full-scale production, what will the capacity be?
We should be able to do about, with a modern commercial computer, about 1 to 2 million words an hour. And this will be quite an adequate speed to cope with the whole output of the Soviet Union in just a few hours computer time a week.
When do you hope to be able to achieve this speed?
If our experiments go well, then perhaps within 5 years or so.
And finally, Mr. McDaniel, does this mean the end of human translators?
I would say yes for translators of scientific and technical material, but as regards poetry and novels, no, I don't think we'll ever replace the translators of that type of material.
Mr. McDaniel, thank you very much.
Clearly, scientists were overly optimistic about the capabilities of computers back in the 1960s. However, achieving human-like communication skills with computers proved to be a struggle that spanned decades. Here's an interesting conversation between Microsoft founder Bill Gates and the famous American television host Dave Letterman in 1995, which reflects the challenges faced by AI at that time.
Is there something now beyond what we understand about computers that, like 20 years ago, we didn't fully understand computers? Is there now another level of something? Maybe we haven't even thought of it. Maybe it's not even possible. Maybe, a whole different mechanism, a whole different software and hardware? Or is this going to be it now through the end of time?
Mostly what we're working on now is the computer being a tool to help us learn or find other people with the same interests. Eventually, we may figure out how to make the computer think, but that turns out to be a very tough problem. In fact, there's been almost no progress made on it. So nobody knows when that'll happen. Some people think it'll never happen.
Yeah, we don't want them to think, do we? Not really,
well,
I wouldn't think.
It's a scary thought.
Yeah. It's too bad there's no money in this, too, isn't there? Just a shame.
The real breakthrough in natural language processing came in 2017 when a Google research team introduced the transformer model in their paper, "Attention is All You Need." This innovation eventually led to OpenAI and its widely used application ChatGPT. Today, computers have achieved human-like communication skills, enabling us to translate many foreign languages with ease.
Yeah, I speak Italian, so we can just do English Italian.
Let's try to do English Italian. Sure, let's do it. Hey, ChatGPT, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
I'm doing great. So I would like you to function as a translator. I have a friend here who only speaks Italian, and I only speak English. And every time you hear English, I want you to translate it to Italian. And if you hear Italian, I want you to translate it back to English. Is that good?
Perfetto.
Mark, io mi chiedo se le balene potessero parlare, cosa ci direbbero?
Mike, she wonders if whales could talk, what would they tell us?
They might ask, how do we solve linear equations?
potrebbero chiederci come risolviamo le equazioni lineari.
Sicuramente sì.
Certainly, yes.
Great. Looks like it works.
White-collar jobs that involve repetitive communication or writing tasks, such as entry-level roles in finance, business, and marketing, can greatly enhance productivity by mastering new AI tools. These tools can be trained to automate routine tasks, like writing weekly market reports or drafting marketing plans, saving enormous labor hours. However, this increased efficiency may result in fewer job openings. Additionally, professions like customer service, translation, and media creation could see significant reductions in future job opportunities due to advancements in AI. Next, we explore the impact of robotic automation in supply chain operations, highlighting Amazon's Kiva robot system as a prime example of transforming order fulfillment processes. Before adopting Kiva robots in 2012, employees at Amazon's fulfillment centers had to walk an average of 10 miles per day along aisles to pick up thousands of items from stocking shelves. This highlighted the repetitive and physically demanding nature of these positions. Additionally, package packing and labeling were not automated, further contributing to the labor-intensive process. After acquiring Kiva systems in 2012, Amazon eliminated traditional inventory shelves, redesigned its fulfillment centers, and automated various aspects of the order picking, packing, and scan, label, apply, manifest activities. The automation and robotization implemented in each fulfillment center enable them to process over 100,000 packages per day. Last year, Amazon processed 6 billion orders through its 120 fulfillment centers in the U.S., contributing to its remarkable growth in net sales, which surged from $34 billion in 2010 to $575 billion in 2023. The Kiva material handling system, in conjunction with warehouse and transportation management systems, transforms supply chain operations into a digital platform. This integration enables real-time tracking of operational activities and supply chain performance through dashboards. The future trend of supply chain digitalization will be significantly driven by advancements in robot automation. Automated systems, such as robotic material handlers and autonomous vehicles, will transform traditional supply chain operations into highly efficient, data-driven processes. These technologies enable real-time data collection and analysis, enhancing visibility and decision-making across the supply chain. By connecting robotics and other unmanned equipment via IoT, Internet of Things, and visualizing real-time operational data with advanced dashboard software, companies can streamline inventory management, reduce human error, and improve overall operational efficiency. This shift not only boosts productivity but also allows for more agile and responsive supply chain strategies, meeting the demands of a fast-paced market. In the future, human workers will need to collaborate with various types of robotic equipment, some of which will be highly intelligent, in a digitalized supply chain environment. What skill sets are required for human workers to seamlessly work with their machine partners? Finally, we address 3 essential technical skills that everyone needs in an increasingly digitalized business world: data literacy, programming and coding, and problem solving. Data literacy enables employees to interpret and analyze data accurately, leading to better informed decisions. The skill of effectively working with data dashboards is essential for managing a digitalized supply chain and collaborating with programmed robots. In a digitalized supply chain, vast amounts of data are generated from various sources, including sensors, IoT devices, and automated systems. Understanding this data allows supply chain professionals to monitor operations in real time, identify bottlenecks, and optimize processes for greater efficiency. Data literacy enables workers to interpret performance metrics, predict demand, and manage inventory more accurately. Secondly, while not all workers need to be expert coders, having a foundational knowledge of programming languages relevant to artificial intelligence and automation, such as Python, can be highly beneficial for interfacing with and customizing robotic systems. Though future humanoid robots may understand and speak human languages, it is beneficial for human workers to understand and use robot languages, i.e., computer codes. Communication between humans and robots should be bidirectional, ensuring that human workers can effectively interact with and oversee robotic processes for smooth and efficient operations. Lastly, as robots handle routine tasks, human workers will focus more on complex problem-solving and decision-making, requiring analytical thinking, creativity, and the ability to quickly adapt to unexpected situations within autonomous systems. Problem-solving in business involves interpreting systematic data and understanding root causes by leveraging domain knowledge. It includes exploring possible solutions and evaluating their feasibility using statistical, simulation, and machine learning methods. Programming will be the magic wand for young business professionals to unlock success in the digitalized business world. Subscribe to my channel to learn analytical thinking, coding, data analysis, and problem-solving through real-world business cases. Thanks for watching this video and visiting my channel.